The all-new Kia Tasman has just been put through its paces by ANCAP, Australasia's leading vehicle safety authority. And the results are in. The Tasman has earned a full 5-star safety rating for its 4x4 variants, a major milestone for Kia's first ute. Let's break down its performance across ANCAP's 4 key testing areas. 1. Adult Occupant Protection, 85%. The Tasman's cabin structure remained stable during the frontal offset crash, but marginal protection was noted for the upper legs due to dashboard structures. In the full-width frontal test, protection was mostly good, though the driver's pelvis showed poor performance, indicating a risk of submarining under the seatbelt. Side impact protection was excellent, scoring full marks, and the more severe oblique pole test showed strong results for head and pelvis protection, although chest protection was rated weak. The Tasman also features a center airbag, which provided good protection against occupant-to-occupant contact in side crashes. 2. Child Occupant Protection, 85%. The Kia Tasman excelled in dynamic crash tests involving 6- and 10-year-old dummies, achieving maximum points in both frontal and side impact scenarios. Rear outboard seats are fitted with ISO fix and top tether anchorages, allowing for safe installation of most child restraints. However, the center rear seat lacks a top tether and is not recommended for child seats. 3. Vulnerable Road User Protection, 74%. In pedestrian impact testing, the Tasman's bonnet offered a mix of good to marginal protection, with weaker zones around the pillars and edges. The autonomous emergency braking system performed well in detecting and reacting to pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists, particularly in forward-moving and turning scenarios. However, reverse AEB for backover prevention was not available in the tested variants. 4. Safety Assist, 80%. The Tasman is equipped with a wide range of safety tech. This includes autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, driver attention monitoring, and intelligent adaptive cruise control. All performed well in ANCAP's track testing, especially during high-speed and emergency lane-keeping maneuvers. Conclusion. With its strong performance across all 4 crash and assist categories, the 2025 Kia Tasman proves itself as more than just a capable workhorse, it's a leader in safety. Earning 5 stars from ANCAP confirms Kia's commitment to protecting not only drivers and passengers, but also other road users. For buyers seeking a tough, tech-savvy pickup with class-leading protection, the Kia Tasman delivers where it matters most. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this breakdown helpful, and let us know in the comments, would you consider the Kia Tasman as your next car? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.